Some people think that any water bottle will work with a SteriPen. However, you're really supposed to stir it to kind of ensure that all the bacteria, viruses, and even the pathogen gets killed. From my understanding, the reason why you're supposed to stir it is sometimes the bacteria or viruses can clump together, and when you stir it, it breaks them apart so that light can penetrate each and every one. Plus, it can kind of hit every little angle, the light, even at the very bottom of the water filter. But these SteriPens really are amazing. I've had these for many, many years. I've purchased so many, given away as gifts, because you can basically get clean water anywhere, whether you're overseas, you're outdoors, even in your home. I use this in my home to filter water, which is so amazing. So I want to talk about just the water bottles and what to use and what I recommend use. And the cool thing, one more thing up too about the SteriPen is it actually will kill that very hard to kill pathogen called Cryptosporidium, if I can pronounce it. And a lot of those little pills, they don't even kill that parasite. You know, so this thing is really, really cool. Okay, so there's a couple wide mouth water bottles, and the top one that I recommend and use is this bladder here, right here, because see how wide this is? So you can really get in here and stir this thing, and it's very easy, as you can see it. So it's hugely wide, and they're very cheap, and it carries a shit ton of water. So when you're out there, and if you're maybe traveling overseas or whatever, you don't have to stop and get water. And also, when you're backpacking, this thing is so nice because it carries so much water. So you don't have to constantly look for water. You have a whole bunch. And water is no joke. I mean, I recently watched this video about this a family, and they had some water, and it went down, and it got so hot, they actually died of dehydration. Heat stroke, it's no joke. So you want to carry more water than you think you need. And I remember one time I was on the Pacific Crest Trail. I actually ran out of water on a mountain, and it was so painful. Luckily, a couple came and I was begging for water because there's water almost supposed to be here. There's no water. I'm on a mountain. I'm dying of thirst. It's no joke, man. It's some serious shit. But another cool thing about this too is it's centered on your back, so it's good for your back. And because you have that tube, it can take small sips throughout the day. So it's very convenient, very cool, very easy to clean too. All right, so that's the top pick. The next thing, what you could do, is a hydro flask. And that's what these are right here. These are wide mouth, and these are really kind of cool. They're a little on the expensive side, but they keep the water cold for, 24 hours? Yeah, and they keep hot beverages hot for 12 hours. So they're really, really nice. Very resistant to drops and that. Now, if you want to make it step down, these Nalgene ones are also really nice as well because they're wide bottle as well. And they're very durable, stuff like that. And if you've gotten some value so far, please consider hit the like button and subscribe button. It helps me. Let's talk about, metal or plastic, which is the best ones. Glass and plastic are nice because you can see inside of it. The metal ones could be tricky because you can't really see, and you just have to be careful not to damage the UV light if you're stirring around too much or whatever. Something to think about. And when it comes to maintenance on cleaning something like this, is these Dr. Bronner's is really, really cool. I have one. And what's so nice about it is it uses a lot of plant material, so if you ingest a little bit, it's not going to kill you. It's not like normal soap. And they're really, so you could do your own laundry. You could use it to clean these. Put your laundry in these, and you can do just like a 2-in-1 type of thing. You kill two birds with one stone. You clean this, and you can some of your laundry as well and clean it. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so there's just some thoughts about what to use with a SteriPen. And if you want to know more ways on how to save money traveling, because at the time I'm making this video, like gas prices are like nuts. They might even go higher. It's like, oh shit, man, I was trying to plan all these big trips, And I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing these because of the gas prices, man. I might just do something locally. But I figured out 11 cool ways to save money, and it's also reduced plastic. So it's a really cool thing, and I'll put the video up here as well as I'll put this post that has a bunch of resources and more information down in the description, as well as in the first comment, just to make it easier if you want to geek out with some of this stuff. All right, you have a blessed and wonderful rest of your day. All right, take care. Bye.